So this video is to help with multiplication and division, and the first question I'm going to start off with is 23 times 7, and you will all have been taught different methods, but I would use the grid method, which is you separate 23 into 20 and 3, and we multiply it by 7, and we separate those. So now all we're going to do is 20 times 7 and then 3 times 7 and add up the answers. So 20 times 7 is the same as 2 times 7 and then times it by 10. 2 times 7 is 14 and then it's 10 times bigger than that, so it's 140. And then 7 times 3 is 21. So 20 times 7 is 140, 3 times 7 is 21, and we add them both together. So 140 plus 21 is 161. So the answer will be 161. You can check with a calculator to make sure that the working out is correct. Next one is division. So that's going to be 91 divided by 7. And I'll do this the bus stop method, but you will all have been taught different ways. 791. So we check now how many 7s go into 9, which is 1. And then we write the remainder next to the number next to 90. So that's going to be 9 divided by 7 is 1, remainder 2. So that's going to be 21 now. So how many 7s go into 21? That's 3. So the answer is 13. So 91 divided by 7 is 13. Next one's a little bit more challenging. 56 times 12. All we do is the same method as the grid method at the top. We separate them. So that's going to be 50 and 6, 10 and 2. Because 10 plus 2 is 12. 50 plus 6 is 56. And then we do the same as the first question, but we do it twice because it's for 10 and 2. So 50 times 10 is 500. 50 times 2, it would double a 50 is 100. 10 times 6 is 60. 2 times 6 is 12, and we're going to add all 4 answers up together. So 500 plus 100 plus 60 plus 12. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2 is 2. And that's 7, and that's going to be a 6. So the answer is 672. Again, you can check the calculator to make sure the answer is correct. And the final one is a bit more challenging again. It's division, but it's 312 divided by 8. So bus stop method again. So first one is, how many 8s go into 3? Well, none. But we have 3 left over. So this is 31 now. So how many 8s go into 31? The answer is 3 and 7 remainder. Because 8 times 3 is 24. So there's going to be up to 31 is 7. So 7 remainder. How many 8s go into 72? That's 9. Because 8 times 9 is 72. No remainder. So the answer will be 39.